With an area similar to two Pakistans, Iran is the 17th largest country in the world. It has 31 provinces, starting with Sistan and Baluchistan has Chabahar Port, the only Iranian port with direct access to the Indian Ocean, and has the volcanic mountain, the Mount Taftan. Hormuzgan, strategically located near the Strait of Hormuz, through which nearly 25% of the world's crude oil passes. Kerman Province, the largest province of Iran, known for Argebam, the world's largest adobe structure, and for high-quality pistachios production. South Khorasan, one of the leading producers of saffron and barberry. Razavi Khorasan Province, known for the Imam Reza Shrine, one of the holiest sites in Shia Islam, visited by millions of pilgrims each year, and has Mashhad, Iran's second largest city. North Khorasan, called a cultural melting pot due to its vibrant blend of Kurmanji, Turkmen, Persian, and Turkic communities. Golistan Province, known for Golistan National Park. Semnan Province, the region where the lush Hyrcanian forests meet the vast Dasht-e-Kavir desert. Isfahan, known for Naqsh-e-Jahan Square, a masterpiece of Safavid-era Persian Islamic architecture. Yazd, known for its desert architecture, Badgirs, and the historic city of Yazd. Fars, known for Persepolis, the ceremonial capital of the Achaemenid Empire, and Shiraz, the cultural heart of Iran. Bushehr, known for the nation's first nuclear power plant. Kogiluye and Boyar Ahmad, known for its rugged Zagros mountains, waterfalls, and rich tribal culture. Chaharmahal and Bakhtiari, called the roof of Iran and the source of major rivers such as the Karun and Zayanderud. Khuzestan has about 80% of Iran's onshore oil reserves, making it the country's oil powerhouse. Ilam, Kabirku Range, and the only place in the world where spider-tailed horned viper can be seen. Loristan, known for Zagros mountain landscapes and the ancient Falak-ul-Aflaq castle. Markazi, industrial capital of Iran, anchored by Arak city. Qom, known for the Fatima Masume Shrine and Jamkaran Mosque, a major spiritual hub of Shia Islam. Tehran hosts nation's capital, known for Golistan Palace, Milad Tower, and Tabiat Bridge. Mazandaran, known for Hyrcanian forests, Caspian Sea beaches, and Alborz mountain landscapes. Alborz, known for Alborz mountain range and ski resorts. Qazvin, calligraphy capital of Iran, and known for Saad al-Sultaneh Caravanserai and Chehel Sutun Palace. Hamadan, known for ancient Ekbatana, Avicenna's tomb, and Ganj Name inscriptions. Kermanshah, known for the ancient Bisutun inscription, Sassanid rock reliefs, and the legendary Dande Kebab. Kurdistan, known for vibrant Kurdish culture. Zanjan, known for historic Sultaniye Dome, malachite work, and traditional knives. Gilan, gastro-touristic capital of Iran, with its famous dishes such as Mirza Ghasemi and many more. Ardabil, birthplace of the Safavid dynasty and known as Iran's honey capital. East Azerbaijan has historic Tabriz Bazaar and Blue Mosque. West Azerbaijan, known for Lake Urmia. From mountains to seas, every province of Iran tells its own story. Comment your thoughts and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.